We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet P-2035. So these are just a couple tips and tricks that you can try to help eliminate some jams, not all but some. So you have this adjustment here. You want to make sure this is in the correct slot for the size of paper that you're using and that it's locked into place. Same with this one. You want to make sure it's locked into place. And then you have these little tabbies here. They are max level indicators. You never want to feel over that or too close to it. It could be really hard for the printer to pick up the paper. Another thing you want to do, instead of just taking your new paper, if you're trying to refill your tray, you never just want to put it in there. As you can see, it is not even. So what you want to do, take your old paper, mix it with your new paper, and then we live in Oklahoma, so I do like to fan ours out. Sometimes there's a lot of condensation or humidity in the air, and that can cause the pages to stick together, which could cause a jam. So make sure you fan it out. Align it all at the same time, and then stick it all in the tray at one time. That way it's the same, and then you can stick your tray back in, and you should be good to go. Like I said, this will eliminate some jams, but not all. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.